If you want to go faster, you need to focus on the drivetrain and tires. Would it be worth upgrading to a bigger crankset on a hybrid bike? If you are limited to your current drivetrain setup, you might consider getting a bigger chainring or crankset to enhance your top speed. The bigger the chainring, the higher the gear that allows you to go faster. If you can maintain a high cadence on a high gear on your old crankset, upgrading to a bigger chainring like 52 or 53 tooth is going to push it further. The raised face crankset has two chainrings, 53 tooth and 39 tooth. The crank bolt secures the crank to the crank spindle. And the cap goes after it to lock the bolt. The crankset has been sitting around for years, so I have to clean it up a little bit before putting it in the bottom bracket.